How to add your payment method on Starbucks app. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Starbucks application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in order to add your payment method on Starbucks app, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and you will be led to the menu of Starbucks. Here, tap on the payment methods option. You will further see the option for add credit or debit card option. Tap on that. In the pop-up that appears, name the card and tap on the continue button. In the interface that you will then be led to, you will be required to enter your card details. So go ahead and enter your card number, valid date, and security code and tap on the Save Card button, and with this, your card will be saved. So this is how you can add payment method on Starbucks app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.